Okay, let's quickly run through the solution to this one so you can get a little help if you're having any problems. I'm just going to run these examples so that you can see the output over here in the console. The new line character, as long as you put a \n somewhere inside a single print line, doesn't matter if that one started with single or double quotes, it will have worked either way. As long as you've put that in, then you'll see that you've got a line that splits wherever your \n is and goes across here. Now this is an important part. This IDE, you'll notice here, these are the line numbers. So it will just wrap text around, which is convenient for us to look at, but it's not a new line unless you see a new line number here, basically, unless you've pressed enter. So the second one, a little bit more tricky. So hopefully you used a bit of common sense as programmers and you copied and pasted that before you made adjustments. Saves a bit of time. Copy and paste is something we find perfectly acceptable when you're learning to code, especially if you've got to get a sentence exactly right. You could be getting it wrong because you mistyped a word and that wouldn't be any good. So you might have used double speech marks around the main string, in which case you have to escape both of the sets of double speech marks, or you could have used single quote marks around the string, in which case you only have to escape the apostrophe in the middle of the word. Either way would work. You can see they both print exactly the same thing. If I just make this a little bit wider here, just so you can see that they were just wrapping around because that wasn't big enough to show, and you'll see that they both work. All right, next video up, I'll be talking about variables.